Ever wondered why yawning is so contagious? It's not just a coincidence. When we see someone yawn, it triggers a response in our brain that makes us feel tired too. This is because yawning is linked to empathy and social bonding. Our brains are wired to mimic the behaviors of those around us, and yawning is no exception. It's a natural response that helps us connect with others on a primal level. So next time you catch yourself yawning, remember it's just your brain's way of saying you're a social creature. Follow us for more fascinating facts about the human body.